Going on? How you guys doing? So I'm coming to you because we probably have a relationship. We know each other for a while now. At least this video is intended for the people that I know, and they might are welcome to share with their people. But I wanted to come to you because I have a project going on where I am trying to do something extraordinary, right? Extraordinary in the sense that I want to change my life, but I want to change your life. So, you know me as a real estate guy. You probably know that I've been in real estate for over 2 decades. I've been in real estate since I was 19 years old. That's 1999. Man, time flies. So, being in real estate that long has taught me two things. Real estate is very expensive, and if you don't have the right structure and the right support and things like that, it can be very brutal, right? So, we are in a very, very unprecedented time. I mean, two banks just collapsed, like literally last week, where people think that the safest thing in America is the financial system and the banking system. Most people don't understand how it works. But yet, so many people have so much money, capital in the banks because they think that it's safe. Well, two just collapsed, and we have no idea how many more is going to collapse in the coming weeks. So I feel like this might be like a perfect time for me to like put this little project together. So I've been in real estate for over 20 years. I've been teaching real estate for over 15 years. And in teaching real estate, I've helped a lot of people make careers out of it. I've invested in real estate and owned properties from Massachusetts all the way down to the DMV, the DC, Maryland, Virginia area. In my endeavor, I've always wanted to accumulate as much as I can because the more real estate you accumulate, the higher and more passive your income become and the higher net worth you have. Through my education and my endeavors, um, it has come to me that real estate can be done as a group a lot more easier and a lot less stressful. So it has enticed me to create what's called a Regulation D or Regulation CF crowdfunding. So let me tell you a little bit about it. But before I do, let me explain. The only reason why I'm doing this is number one is because I'm extremely passionate about real estate. I don't see myself doing anything else other than real estate, no matter what happens in life, right? I am passionate about real estate. I love real estate. I think it's the best route to financial freedom. That means that even if I have hundreds of millions of dollars, I don't see myself getting out of real estate. Because I am so passionate about it, I also feel like real estate is one of those things where, you know, as a human being, you need shelter, you need food, you need air, right? But real estate is the only thing you need, even after life. Hence the business of cemetery. So it's such a powerful thing that without it, I mean, you know, imagine a planet like Venus or a planet like, I don't know, Uranus or something, where it's full of gas and you have no idea what is inside. It's incredible. Anyway, so I know that for humans, real estate is fundamental. It is a necessity. Therefore, there's no better business to be in than to be in the business of real estate. But it's also AI proof. Okay, so because of that, I created what's called Mansour X. Mansour X is a crowdfunding platform where we have a goal of raising $5 million to do real estate projects. And let me share my screen. So we've created Mansour X. It took us about 6 months to put this thing together. It's a crowdfunding platform. Regulation CF means that it's regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission of the US. In that application, we've applied to raise $5 million to do real estate projects because we anticipate that there's going to be a correction in the market. And in that correction, we anticipate that there are going to be great deals to have in that opportunity. Now, in this crowdfunding of 5 million, we're looking for roughly 250 people to invest $250 every single week for a period of not more than 12 months, so that we can dollar cost average investments into real estate over the next 12 months. $500,000 is our goal, but really what we're looking for is $250 from 250 people for 12 months. Now, this is a Securities and Exchange Commission Form C, where I am the founder of the Regulation C. And here's the pitch. The pitch is simple. 250 people to join our community for $250 for 12 months to get into a real estate venture where at the end of the 12 months, we anticipate giving back $20,000 to each member of the community. $250 people, $250 for 12 months. At the end of the 12 months, we'll dispose of the properties, and we'll cut you a check for $250. That's it. It's not complicated. How do we do it? We hope to buy valuable properties that are under the market, rehab it, refinance or sell it, and then be able to return the capital to our investors. Your name is going to be tied to the LLC. You'll be share owners of the LLC. Because our team is very small and nimble, there's no admin fee, there's no servicing fee, there's no processing, there's nothing. We automate the collection of the money. We focus on buying the real estate assets. We rehab it, and we turn it into something that someone can put into their rental portfolio for the long term. We collect our premium, and then we share that premium with our friends and family members. $250, 250 people, 12 months, for a $20,000 return at the end of the 12 months is my proposal. If this is something that you're interested in, all you have to do is send me a text message so that I can add your name as part of the people that are interested in the fund. $250, 250 people, 12 months, $20,000 return. And all you have to do is text, let me know that you're interested, and then we'll add your name. Once we have the 250 people, we'll notify everybody. We'll send them the contracts through DocuSign. They'll sign the contract. We'll execute our end, and then we'll start collecting the $250. As the market corrects, as it has started, as the market corrects, we're going to go and look for deals. Every single month, we hope to add one property to our portfolio so that at the end of the month, we'll have one. So before you invest the next dollar, you'll be able to see that we have acquired a property, that it is part of the LLC, and that your name is part of that LLC before you make the next payment. So it's low risk in the sense that this investment is tied to tangible, real assets that can be verified at the Registry of Deed. You can literally sit at home, go to Registry of Deed of wherever the property that we're buying, put it in, and you'll see the property. You'll see the LLC that owns it. And you'll know through the documents that we have filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission that you have shares into that company. So it's not a situation where we can pick up your money and run away in the middle of the night. So let me recap. You guys know me. I am passionate about real estate. I've been doing it for 20 years. I teach real estate for a living. I own a real estate school in Massachusetts. I've trained thousands of people doing real estate, so I know what I'm talking about. I just created a fund. That fund requires $250 from 250 people for 12 months, and we return 20 grand to you at the end of the investment. That is it. If you're interested in that, send me a text message and let me know. We'll add you to a list of 250 people to build a community that can create something extraordinary. Literally 250 people in a span of 12 months can acquire in the neighborhood of $13 million worth of real estate. So if you want shares of that $13 million real estate, let me know. All right? 250 people, $250, 12 months, 20 grand is my offer. Let me know if you're interested. If you need to verify the SEC document, you can go to Mansour.fund. If you want to see the $250 offer, you can go to the real estate partner, and it's 250 people, so it's limited. 250 people, $250 every single week, and then we return $20,000 to you, and the investment is for 1 year. All the property are going to be acquired in Massachusetts because Massachusetts happens to be the state that I own my real estate brokerage, and I also have my real estate license in the state of Massachusetts. All right. Thank you so much.